It has been brought to my notice that a certain media house has published some news item ascribing to me a sentence that in case the party, that is Congress party, denies me a ticket, I will vote for the opposite candidate, Mr. Shripad Naik. This statement I never made. It's totally false. This is something that has been written by that particular channel, probably to tarnish my image. And there may be certain forces behind it to see to it that I don't contest or I am thrown out of the whole thing. People of Goa know me very well. Today I have completed 50 years of my social, political, cooperative, linguistic, cultural, everything life. On 5th of March, my first maiden speech was made in the assembly. So today was a very happy day for me to recapitulate all that. Under these circumstances, a certain gentleman walks up to me and said that he belongs to a particular channel and would like to record my statement. So he records the statement, and after today I find, as I come back, I find that he has given a totally wrong headline. I deny it. I not just deny it, I condemn it. Why? This must be an attempt to tarnish my image and keep me out, because they all know that I am a formidable candidate.